So today I want to clean my Montegrappa pen. This is a pen I have had for quite some time. It's sterling silver. I'll see if you can, I'll zoom in so you can hopefully see if it focuses. There we go. So you can see it's like the serial, but you see it's got the hallmarks there. You know, the sterling silver hallmark there, yes. And yeah, Italy. For those of you who don't know, Montegrappa is Italy's an oldest pen. I think 19 something. Well, pretty old pen maker anyway. The oldest in Italy. So here's my jewelry cleaner. I don't know if you can see it. I just picked it up from a local store. It normally comes with everything you need. Obviously this is the plate for it here with the brush in there. So I just need to take off, you know, sort of take out parts of the pen. Take out the ink, the spring, and I'll just put these inside and that in there as well. Then I just need to make sure. Now you don't really need to do this for too long, but just give it a good shake. Make sure it cleans well. What I also do is the ink as well. I tend to just dip it in. I have a few sterling silver pens that I normally do this whole cleaning process for. So that's literally enough. But what I do is I have the brush here, which I then use to make sure I get all the cracks, like where you have all this screws and all that. You'll be amazed at how much difference it makes cleaning your pens. You shouldn't also put it in too long. Just a couple of seconds is enough. Yeah, apologies if you're hearing the camera trying to autofocus. This was one of those things. Just giving it a good clean. Well, I should put this back, probably shouldn't I? Then I could close this. That's the bits there. I'll just dip it in a little bit more just to make sure. Likewise the spring. Oh, you can't see this, apologies. It's not in frame, but yeah, you get the drift. That's it. Being dipped in the solution. Bring that out. Bring this bit out as well. This literally makes it brand new. And then I'll put this aside. And I have a glass of warm water here that I typically use. I'll just put these in here. And of course the ink as well. Just now you really don't need to do the ink. It's just myself being extra, should I say. Difference already, but this is shining. Okay, there's some little bit of oxidation that took place there. I need to give this a clean. So I could just dip in here a little bit. I think I'll keep it back in. I actually don't think it's been cleaned. Well, I haven't cleaned this pen in since I got it actually. It's the first time I'm cleaning it. I'll leave it in there for a bit actually. I'll just keep shaking it. I'll just brush the cover where I saw the I'm not a professional at this cleaning business. So if you're a professional and you're watching this and you're like stressing out, I'm sorry. quickly put it together for you all to see while I just make sure it dries out properly. But I don't want to keep you all waiting, so I would literally just put it in and show you what it looks like, finished product. Put that in. Voila! Let's look at this beautiful piece of art. Statement piece. This is the Romeo Juliet limited edition pen. It's beautiful, isn't it?